Hello again and welcome to another episode of GTA 5, and people in roadway cabins daily in this fucking city. Let's go see Lester. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's awesome. That's absolutely awesome.
What's going on?
Oh, just enjoying a little labor dispute. See, we're about to do something really bad. So I need to present myself as a proper textile magnate.
So you stopped making anything?
Nothing looks more suspicious in America than someone who's actually prepared to make something. What about you?
Pocket, Trevor. Having some problems.
Brad.
What else?
So anyway, Union Depository is on hold for now. Can't do it without him, especially now that he knows.
Thank God you guys are here. You alone?
David, where's your boyfriend, Steve?
He's on his way up. Yeah, they're up here. This shit's about to happen.
Our entire lives together has been nothing but a series of fans and shits.
Sort this problem out completely, and we'll get Mr. Leisure Wear off your back.
And if we don't,
Then I will go to jail and you will get shot.
fuck you, Dave. I've heard it all before.
Not like this, inhabitant. Has he briefed you?
Oh, well, yes, he has. He told us that we do what you say, and together we can take down the big bad wolf that is government corruption.
Yeah, and if you don't, we're all gonna fight. Because the agency's on us. I've even got some fools around the bureau that are questioning my methods. They think I'm a liar, a cheater, some kind of a killer, a thief.
So?
So, there's someone who thinks, and I need you guys to find out what they know.
Alright, so what? You want Lester here to hack into the system, wipe it all clean?
No, that will not work. The only way to access it is through your building.
Fuck.
Michael, you'd be doing me a very big favor. And if you do this, I will make sure that all your files are deleted. Promise.
Hey! It's the last thing we do, and we're done. Period.
Of course, I'm a man of my word. Dave, let's go.
Poor Dave, man. Poor Dave.
Come on, Lester, let's go.
Good luck, gentlemen.
Take us to the bureau, parking garage entrance. I feel for you, friend.
So, you got any idea how we'll do this? Scope it out?
Not really, but I thought we'd start by finding a way into the building.
We're going in through the parking lot?
No. We're waiting for someone to come out of it. The janitor.
Alright. And how's that gonna get us in?
Well, the janitors are all on temp contracts. They get replaced when their backs go, or they ask for a day off. So, we find one of these guys, we turn him, and that's our in.
Okay. There a particular guy?
I'm in the temp company's database right now. Found a guy about to clock off. File here. Let me see. Harvey Molina, license plate 83QSL722. We'll follow him and see what we think. Here we are. Let's wait for him.
And now
Something's
we
This is not the car we're looking for.
So what do you think about this whole method?
Shut up, guys. And now we play the waiting game without any interruptions.
Stop the situation.
I think they'll either kill you after this is done, or keep you doing these stupid jobs until they don't have to kill you because someone else has done it for them.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Here we go. Not our guy.
So what do we do?
What can we do? We do the job. And maybe you can delete the files when you're inside doing whatever else you're doing. That
This is
might be
fun.
a way out.
Yeah, well, a way out is exactly what I need.
That's it?
No, it's not.
That's not it.
Called it.
It's hard to get motivated on a job without financial incentive.
You can't put a price on freedom.
Well, that spur won't be there for the crew. I'm gonna ask Mr. Haynes for a budget. Maybe the leftover cash from the Polito score. We need something.
Yeah, see what you can do.
It's this one, isn't it?
That's the one.
Yep.
You know the drill. Couple of car lengths.
So what's gonna happen when this guy gets wherever he's going?
He's gonna get his severance package.
I can't tell if that's some creepy euphemism or a plain statement of facts.
It's whatever you want it to be.
Okay. Hey, you mind? Put away the smartphone or pad or whatever the hell that is for a minute. No surfing while I'm trying to tail this guy.
It's work related.
Yeah, well, I'd prefer all hands on deck right now, if it's okay with you. God, you're worse than my son.
You want to break into the FIB's West Coast headquarters, you're gonna need more than a janitor's license plate number. And let me work on some angles while you, keep this car behind that one and between these white lines.
That's it. I mean, other than a few missing expletives in terms of racial abuse, that was my son in spades.
I just spoke with Agent Haynes. We've got the budget to pull this off.
Good.
He's gone left there, you see?
Come on. What do we do when he gets home? What do we need from him?
We need cooperation, and maybe his overalls and an ID.
And if he don't cooperate?
You know what it's like to clean up shit for Steve Haynes? He'll cooperate.
Cleaning up shit for Steve Haynes. Jeez. Yeah, he's gonna cooperate.
He's pulling up. Park down the block. Go in and have a word. Harvey Molina.
Hey, Mal. How's that cable connection coming? Fine. Sorry, look, I'm busy. Only when she needs something.
Only when she needs something. Sounds accurate.
You got another one of those, Harvey?
Who are you?
The guy with your best interests at heart. Fill your pockets with money, all you gotta do is take a little vacation.
Hey, I work 2 jobs, man. Take any break I can get.
Yeah.
Hey, you want the beer?
Nah, just take the overalls. Oh, and your ID.
It's in there.
Oh, and Harvey. I probably don't need to say this, but you don't play ball, I'll be forced to do something I really don't want to do. Enjoy your beer.
Damn.
Successful?
Oh, yeah.
We gotta go back to my office.
Of course we do.
That was easy.
Guess you were right. Steve Haynes is a shitty boss.
Hey, I called Frank while you were in there. He's coming to meet us.
Yeah, huh? What do we need him for?
Grunt work. Information gathering.
What information?
The plans to the office. There aren't any digital copies, or if there are, I'm not clever enough to find them. The architect is LS based, so I thought Frank could tail him, take a hard copy.
Sounds complicated. You sure you need these plans?
Yeah, I do. If I'm gonna find a way to bypass a couple of $100 million worth of government security.
Millions? They blew that much?
Government contracts, license to steal.
Wow. We are in the wrong business.
No, we've just taken the wrong contracts. Ah, he's already here.
Oi, Franklin! Who is the motherfucker? There he is.
Hey, what's the problem, dog?
Steve fucking Haynes.
Of course it's Steve fucking Haynes. It's always Steve Haynes.
That is not strictly true. It's either Steve Haynes or it's Trevor or it's his family. It's always one of them.
Yeah, that's true. It is always one of them. Battle fuck with a horrible family and even worse friends. I told you, Franklin, I ain't a good role model.
Yeah, whatever, dog. It's either this or Dylan Don back. The bullets come cracking at your ass either way.
We need to find out something about this FIB building, a weakness or a way in. Next time I meet a morally destitute, totally delusional, highly corrupt government agent. I hope he's a nice one.
Man, I'm not going in that motherfucker by myself.
No. Nobody is going in. We need to do some recon. We need a little more information.
Shit.
I need the architectural plans. They're not online anywhere. I'm gonna need paper. You know, the architect's name is Chip Peterson. This was his first big commission, and the office is down in Backlot City.
All right. Frank, you go tail him for a little while, and then we'll talk.
All right, dog, I got you.
Try not to hurt yourself.
Good.
Awesome!
So you're gonna drive into me?
And now we return to our cave. Our cave of sorrow. Or not.
Hey,
But... Oh. Hey.
I'm sorry I spiked you, okay? I get so mad and I can't control things, and then, you know, shit just falls on top of me. My life sucks right now, and I don't know what to do except I want to say I love you and hug it out. But all that wimpy shit is just, well, I'd say gay, but I have some friends who are gay, so that's not cool anymore. And the ones that I don't really like, it's not because they're gay. So, lame, all right? You are just a lame and angry psycho sometimes. You do bad shit and things. I don't know if I love you, and I'm pretty sure I hate you a little bit, but I'm just so fucking upset that we can't even see each other. And you're just a drunk, lame dad.
You know what? That might just be the nicest thing anybody's ever said to me.
So will you buy me a car?
Oh my fucking god.
I mean, not in this so will you buy me a car kind of way, in a completely off-topic, can you buy me a car? I mean, firstly, I'm a fat shit that you ruined. And secondly, I will get a job, and I will stop smoking pot in that sort of way, okay?
Fucking dead shit.
Now, go. Get a job, because I don't have the money to buy you a car. Besides which way, I'm probably gonna be dead in a couple weeks anyway.
Please don't die, okay? It's great catching up with you two, Bill.
Hey, how's your mother?
Oh, she's great. No, she's not. She's bored. I mean, all this mesmerizing tantric sex she's been having with a much younger, better built, caring and compassionate man is great and all. What's she gonna do for the other 6 hours of the day?
What the fuck?
I'm just winding you up, you miserable bastard. She's mad at you. She's scared that you're gonna die, and she wants you to go over there and prove that you give a fuck.
All right. I can take a fucking hint. Let's go. We'll get Tracy on the way.
Tracy, on the other hand, she's a star. Sort of.
Mom said she was at Bean Machine.
A star. That's terrible.
What's been happening?
You know,
The car's fucked.
No, I don't know.
well, what's been happening with you?
Thanks.
It's anyone's guess.
Yeah, I get it.
You were out of the city?
Sure, you guys were gone, so I thought I'd,
Oh, okay. Here they are. Fabian, too. Oh, what a treat.
Ah, crap.
Come on. The Cullen has been sluggish for weeks.
A little bit less life. Excuse me, I'm trying to write a screenplay.
Shush,
here.
woman.
Hey, Amanda. Fabian.
Fucking rude.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Jimmy.
It's true. A picture of holistic well-being, I don't think.
Hey.
Maybe they shit once a year between them.
Oh!
That's my son!
Amanda, come. I have a new Unicard on hold. You must pay for it.
Hey,
Hey.
buddy.
What
I'm
a
gonna ask you
douche.
politely that you show my wife a little respect.
Red meat has been blocking your chi as well as your digestive tract.
I ain't even gonna go there. I'm gonna ask you one time, nicely.
Michael, just hit him, please.
Shush, woman!
Anything for you, sweetheart.
What are you I had some really good work there, you dick!
There's a lot more where that came from, Holmes.
Is he alive?
Yeah,
Sadly.
he's fine. Listen, Amanda. I want it. I've been meaning to say it. I just...
What he's trying to say, Mom, is that he's a pathetic, old, drunken mess, and he needs you. And you could do a lot better than a prima donna yoga instructor with an anal fixation.
Shut up!
I guess we could try.
All I'm asking for is a shot.
Neutral ground. Dr. Friedlander's office.
It's perfect. All of us. I'll pick up Tracy and bring her there. Meet you?
Fine.
Oh yeah, I fucking forgot you could
Alright, you.
see Dr. Friedlander. See the fucking swing.
No yoga.
Alright, you know where your sister is, right?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Wait, but what about that sugar, caffeine, and emulsified pig fat flavored beverage I want?
Another time.
Oh,
Come on, I want to. Later.
I think Tracy's over at the tattoo parlor.
What? Tracy's getting another tattoo.
No, oh God, no. That Laszlo guy's there.
Laszlo, that asshole. What's he want?
It's Tracy that wants something. She wants to get back on Fame or Shame after you and Uncle T cut her cameo short.
Well, maybe we ought to help her out with that.
Maybe we oughta.
Hey, let me ask you. Back there with your mom. That went okay, didn't it?
Anything that ends with Fabian's... Careful! Fabian's
That was
first
on him.
is more than okay with me.
I mean with me and your mom.
I think it's an important first step in, like, the direction of okay, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
I think they're in here.
I'm looking for something hip that, some...
No, not this jackass again.
So listen, babe, if you want to make it in Vinewood, you gotta do whatever it takes. Even if whatever it takes is a depressed, borderline alcoholic who hosts the third most popular talent show amongst the 40-year-old female demographic.
So, you'll let me on the show if I blow you?
Yes, and if you could wear some black lipstick, the little
Jesus.
Oh,
whoa!
Laszlo.
Dude, that was entirely out of context, bro.
Jim,
No, it worked.
find the ink slinger, sit on him. Laszlo here's gonna have a little cosmetic work done.
No, please.
Whoa. Stay put, you lame-ass Mark.
Sure, kid. What? I'm bi-coastal.
Yeah.
Are you popping a fucking tent over here? You fucking psycho.
Yeah, suffer.
You made me a pouty fucking hipster.
Good.
Ow.
Oh, that looks purty. Here, let's get rid of this.
Oh my God, Papa Bear. What's Daddy number 2 gonna think about this?
Let's not get him involved.
Jesus.
If I knew I was getting this much work done, I would have brought a camera crew.
Let me get to work.
Suffer, you little bitch. Yeah.
Please don't put a gang symbol on me.
It's worse than a gang symbol. It's worse than a gang symbol.
Oh,
Nice.
you got like a camera phone or a mirror I can...
Oh yeah, I'll get you a mirror. Smash you over the head with it.
What's this?
Snip, snip.
Oh, this is a real one-stop shop. When I get nervous, I evacuate my bowels.
Ew.
Seeping out. No, that's my signature, my ponytail. Now I gotta get extensions.
No, what you gotta get is my daughter, whatever she wants.
Yeah, without sucking on your piddle stick.
Look, okay, guys, that was a joke. I'm a clown. I'm a sad, lonely little clown.
Hey, you're gonna put her on your show, and you're gonna make sure she looks good.
Okay, I got a lot of juice in this town, but I mean, I'm not a miracle.
Just do it.
Yeah.
All right, Trace, let's go. We gotta get to the therapist.
So, I'll like call you or something, okay? Bye.
Never a family that needs therapy. A ponytail. How do I look? It's not good, is it?
No. No, it's awful.
Tattoo gun.
It's one of those skills you pick up in prison. Inking your name on your cellie's ass.
Ew. Are you serious?
Come on. No. Not quite.
Not to be difficult, but your therapist has an and transformational to your mental health. So I don't know why he'd be better positioned to help 4 dysfunctionals.
Hey, this was your mother's idea.
Well, I guess it beats yoga.
Damn fucking straight. Fuck yoga.
Like Fabian? Around the head with the laptop? Oh yeah, like, ow! Our old man released the dude's inner tranquility all over the beam machine bad.
To be honest, and I know it's karmically bad, but yeah, I fucking hate that dude.
Yeah, I know, right? Sew up his own ass. You're a fucking contortionist. Whoopee. I contort my junk all day long and I don't act all superior about it. Just a little ashamed and empty.
Overshare.
Hey, I was talking smack to your mother.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
I applaud you, Pop.
Here, here. You're like finally like using your powers.
You fucking dick.
Using your powers of selfishness and rage for like good. Not an objective universal good, but like a subjective what's in our best interest kind of good.
Fuck yeah, awesome. Let's rob somebody.
Do it, Dad.
Yeah, do it. Do it.
Enough.
Yeah.
I love that we're getting along, but knock it off.
Yeah, don't like actually rob a liquor store. That might like kill the mood.
Fucking therapy. Let's do that shit.
Hey, how about you just let your mom and me talk, okay? We got some issues we gotta iron out. And seeing as you two aren't into it, you can just sit.
Wait, whoa.
That's cool.
What the hell is it there? What's it?
Since I need it.
What the hell is it there? It's the damn,
At
horn?
least for the meantime.
Thank you.
Oh my god. Okay. That's cool. That's cool. And I got in the wrong driveway. One last one. That's awesome.
Michael, kids, let's go inside. Okay.
Amanda!
Hello.
Good to see you again. Michael, I'm so glad. Isn't this great?
Fantastic.
Michael, be positive.
I am being positive. This is me being positive.
Give it up, Michael. The sarcasm, it's one of the reasons I moved out. It's beneath you.
No, it's not, Amanda. Trust me. Nothing's beneath me.
No, normally there's a whore beneath you.
Ooh.
You know, for someone who spends every waking moment working on themselves inside and out, I gotta tell you, the progress has been really fucking slow.
How would you know what progress is like, you stupid murdering shit?
Gee, because all you do is whine at me.
Oh, all I do is whine. Michael, could you please stop murdering people? Michael, could you please stop endangering me and the both of your children? You kill people and then you sit in the sun and drink and feel guilty about it. That is not work.
I don't see you complaining on the way to the fucking bank.
That's true.
I mean, let's face it, Amanda. We're trailer trash, you and me. We were taught to do this.
Get a center, Michael. You have no center.
How about you suck my cock? Huh? We'll both get a center before that ever happens.
You are such a fucking animal, a deranged animal.
You fucking ain't right on the range. How could I not be?
I should have had you locked up years ago, you stupid
Do it.
shit.
Do it. I'll put you in fucking around with the rest of them.
And that's really all the time we have.
Oh,
I think we made some real progress there. Oh, Michael, I hope this goes without saying, but family work is a little more expensive.
Double?
Squared.
Of course.
Take care now.
Hey, so you gonna come home with me or what?
guess we'll give it a try.
All right, then.
Kids! So, will you drive us home?
I mean, it's my car, so
There was a
fucking
moment
yeah.
there. I thought,
What?
I don't know, like maybe we still had a ways to go. You know, like maybe we need more time.
Time for what?
Time to move beyond screaming at each other.
That was cathartic.
Catharsis all over my face.
Ooh, I got a warm, fuzzy feeling.
Probably just the meds you raided.
Okay.
Oh.
Cathartic. All right. I just don't want it to be more of the same.
Now you're the one making the demands?
No, not demands. I'm saying you're right. Something was broke, and we gotta work at fixing it.
We do. All of us.
Yes, Mom.
For real, peeps.
Because I started to understand something in there. No one else gets this family. Not Dr. Friedlander, or my yoga teacher, or our tennis coach, or the juice guy, or the dog walker,
Oh, hey.
or Jimmy's third grade teacher.
Or the trash guy.
Or Dad's proctologist.
Or the guy that thinks he's Jesus on Vespucci Beach.
Or the hippie bum who thinks the world is ending.
We're stuck with each other. I mean, how do you explain faking our deaths, changing our names, all the lying to the FIB? That monster, Trevor?
There's no explaining Uncle T.
Hey, is he coming to the next therapy session?
What? No. Jeez.
Just one thing, Michael. Don't get us killed. And don't get killed. Can you do that?
I give it my best shot. With every fiber of my being, I will do whatever it takes to make sure it doesn't happen. Promise.
And no more hookers or other women.
Yeah, Dad. Gross.
You're better than that, Pop.
Guys, I'm not really comfortable having this conversation.
Just keep it in your pants, okay?
Yeah, it's so demeaning how you treat women.
Here we are. Home sweet home. Remember this place?
Kids, rooms. If you find dead bodies, cheap women, or Trevor Phillips, we're checking into the Rockford Hills Hotel.
The family's back together.
Morning after the night before.
Classic Trevor. No missions, of course. Ah.
Hey, Mike, it's Franklin, man. I'm following the architect.
All right. Don't fuck it up.
All right.
Sneaking. Sneaking. Sneaking.
Hey, stupid! You can't be on here without a hat!
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Site inspection! Architect on site.
Oh, you know what? Fuck this. Sweet stars for that. It's just a fucking architect. How about no? Oh, how ironic, it's raining. Wait. Two different.
Hey, move, fool!
Bit hard. The quickest way to lose a wanted level. Finally, jeez. I've got the documents! I've got the documents!
Ah, it's cracking.
Hey, you got him?
Of course I do, homie. Yeah, thank you.
So, all good?
Sure, homie. So is this shit for real? You just gonna rob the FIB and be allowed to walk by your boys like that?
Yeah, I don't fucking know. Probably not. Alright, Lester, what do you got?
I don't quite know yet. Give me a minute. I'm not a fucking computer. Oh, maybe I am. Here's what I think. We have two options. The new security software goes into containment mode in case of emergency, you know, earthquakes, mudslides, acts of God. So, we plant some fire bombs. They go bang! The emergency call goes out. We hijack it, show up as firemen, and then we grab the containment drive. Or we could hack the system on site. We'll go in by air. Hope we don't run into too much physical resistance.
Sounds relaxing. Either bombing an office ran by a division of corrupt government psychos or defeating one of the world's most complex security systems using our worthless-ass ninja skills, huh?
Yeah. Meeny, meeny, miny.
Worthless ass ninja skills. Awesome.
If you favor the firebomb containment drive option, you'll go in with that janitor's ID you picked up. It'll be at night when most of the workers are off. You mop the place and plant the bombs where we need them.
Serious? I got a mop?
Yeah, you really do. They'll clock you on the cameras if you're play acting. You also need a fire truck to show up in when the bombs go off, and a getaway car stashed in a quiet place near the bureau so you can torch the truck and get out. The car doesn't have to be anything special. There shouldn't be any heat.
Well, what about the other way, with the ninja skills?
Now you choose that route, you won't be using the janitor's gear, but we had to cover all the bases. Your FIB paymasters will have to provide you with a chopper and a pilot. Now you fly way up above the building, parachute in, and gain access through the roof here. Now you'll need to be armed to the teeth, mind you, just in case the shit goes down.
Mopping or parachuting? Wow, you're making this choice really difficult.
Now, Haynes has given us the leftover money from the Polito job to pull this mission, and the crew will be paid out of that. we keep the change. So, what's it gonna be?
We're going Ruth and
Of course.
Clean.
You'll need a hacker, a gunman, and a driver. The hacker won't come in with you, but they'll help you break the system.
After what went down at the jewelry store, I could definitely take a chance on them again.
I don't know how long it'll take.
And you too.
He's my go-to guy. I ain't changing that now.
The driver will be waiting outside on getaway. They'll source a vehicle, so bear that in mind.
Ah, my lucky charm from the jewelry store.
This is a protected federal building. Are you absolutely sure this is how you want to take it?
And
Yep.
we have a winner. I'll make the arrangements and call you when we're ready.
Alright, shit, hit me.
You know, I'm still looking into that Union Depository gig. It's real interesting. But I don't know if we can do it without you-know-who.
Well, as long as he can't do it without us.
What the hell?
Get out the fucking way.
And we're back to see Solomon Richards.
Hello, hello. Good to see you, Slick.
Oh God.
What the hell are you doing here?
It's over, Michael.
You done good, kid. You kept this bullshit up long enough to help me trigger a fantastic insurance payout when the plug is pulled. I love you. You're like my spirit brother now.
Where's Solomon?
He's
Massive
out getting whatever the
cunt.
fuck it is. The last dinosaur in town is
Massive
about to get fossilized.
cunt.
What are you talking about?
Look, the movie's nearly done, so if the plug's pulled now, the investors, meaning us, get a massive insurance payout. Meanwhile, I can use that to get the other major shareholder, the old bastard's idiot son, to agree to tear this relic down and let me redevelop the area for condos.
You
In this
absolute
economy, the
fucking-
city's gonna let me build
you-
tax-free.
There's no
Even get some
words for
weed.
this
It is
douchebag.
a brilliant thing, and it is all thanks to you and Molly's eye for the details of the insurance policy.
Michael, they're fucking us. The suits, and they don't even wear suits.
I love that line.
Wolves in turds clothing.
Try not to take it too badly, Mr. Richards.
Were you ever a human being?
Look, people used to like film.
Were you ever a human
videoing
being? That's
themselves
awesome.
beating off on their iFruit phones. Don't blame me. I'm a very spiritual person. I feel badly about this.
Yeah, you're
But
spiritually
evolution
fucked
is
in the head.
evolution. Gentlemen, Molly, namaste.
Can I take the film now, Mr. Richards? My plane leaves in 25 minutes.
Now you can suck shit.
At least let me finish the picture, then close the place down.
I'm afraid our timetable doesn't allow for that. Goodbye, Mr. Richards.
Where the hell is she going with that movie?
She is taking the only copy offshore, somewhere nice and discreet. Analog. God, it's certainly got its complications.
Michael, can you do something?
No, he can't do anything, pal. It's an inevitability.
My wife got screwed by a yogi. And now I'm getting screwed by a yogi? Fuck that!
I'm a producer! Nobody fucks with my film!
Get to the airport, talk to me, that's it.
Slow it down, Slick. You're not thinking.
Hey, I'm a producer. I'm producing the goods.
Don't do this, Slick. Think. She's got a police escort. She's on the way to my personal hangar. Security at the airport worked for me.
I just want to get the film back before she does anything rash with me.
Molly's highly strung. She's not gonna stop and talk it out with a deranged killer chasing after her.
That ain't who I am. Today, look, I don't wanna hurt anyone. I just want to get my movie.
Slow down and use your brain. Fun time is over.
Devin, you fucking bitch.
Hey, the car!
Fuckwit.
What's she doing?
Michelle, there is no need to panic. The LSPD are here to escort you to the hangar. You do not need to go that fast. Please relax. You went past the hangar.
Crazy lady.
Miss Schultz, you are in the path of aircraft. This is not a safe place to drive.
Yeah, you're telling me she's gone crazy. Oh, oh, oh! The plane!
This crazy bitch is gonna get everyone killed.
You're playing chicken?
Stop your car!
Yeah, for the love of God, stop your fucking car.
Miss Schultz, stop the car!
He wants to kill me! He wants to kill me!
On the floor, lady! On the fucking floor!
Clear the hangar.
He's a psychopath!
Molly!
Stop it, Molly. Stop. You idiot, no. No, stop, come back. No. Oh, how unfortunate. How unfortunate. How unfortunate.
All this mayhem! Nothing to do with me!
How unfortunate.
Hey, you got some mess to clean up!
Jeez, that's horrible. Come on. Oh my God, come on. Damn. Well, shit, this thing's gonna go down soon. Oh my god! What are the fucking odds? That's hilarious. Where's it gonna get me? Oh, you little bastard.
Trespassing! That's the most you got on me!
And kind of manslaughter because, but he I fired on me first. Come on, stop driving! Jeez! Let's start that again. Fuck you, bastard. Finally.
I loved you once, Tony, but there's nothing between us. Now that I know you prefer dictation.
Really? We're doing this now? I just watched Devin Weston's legal counsel get juiced in a jet engine.
Oh, that Molly woman? Oh, Lord, that's horrible.
You have no idea. She panicked, went crazy, and ran into it. But I saved the print, so we still got our movie.
You believe that analog thing? It's all digital. We have backups everywhere. I mean, we're shooting on green screen.
Well, you could have told me.
I'm sorry. Look, I thought you knew. The edit's nearly done, and we've got to get it out before they can screw us again. I've greenlit a premiere. That will stop them from burying us.
A premiere? For Meltdown? Okay. Can you invite my family? They can finally have something to be proud of me for.
Of course! It's already on its way by courier.
All right. Shit. I'll get ready. It was An American Divorce, by the way. The movie quote. Obviously. Come on.
Oh shit, 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 shit! Another happy landing. And of course. Come on. Oh shit. Not good. Shit. Ah, for fuck's sake.
Bullshit. Forgive me. What's up? You fool!
Shit. Ah. Come on. That's awesome. Well, that's gonna be the end of this episode. Hope you liked and subscribe if you enjoyed. Bye bye.